G'day everyone. We're in Tokyo, Japan. It's freezing cold, but it's all worth it because we're at the Nismo headquarters. Every GDR, Nissan, loser, rich dude, whatever's dream to be here to come and see this and see the parts and cars in the showroom and see what they're doing in the workshop. You want to go inside? Let's go and have a look. Follow me. Straight away when you walk in this beautiful showroom, you see this, don't even know what it is, but they did ask me to sign it, so I signed it and dated and that for them. On the spoiler there, it's a killer race car. How'd you have like to have that on the side of your wall in your house? Be fully sick, wouldn't it? But look, you need to go and have a look and suss all these engines and that out. It's a massive coin, but it's killer quality, and you're paying for the name, you're paying for the quality. Just anyway, I'd love to come and show you around, but I'm going to go and buy some crap. Don't tell my wife because she'll be like, spending too much money on junk. So go and have a look, suss it out. I'm going to buy some crap. Sucked in.
Wait, look at this.
GTR water.
Yes.
Very delicious.
GTR water.
Nismo tax is the worst tax in the world. You know what I mean?
But we still love it.
It's worse than the carbon tax. But we still love Nismo crap because it's
Nismo.
Nissan Motorsport International this. We're at the Nissan Heritage Collection. So I've actually never been here, but looks killer. And we're at Nissan, which we all know Nissans are the best. So. If you're a Nissan fan and you love GTRs and stuff, you've got to come here. It's just mental. So I just want to thank myself for bringing myself here. Thanks. Cheers. No worries.